Hey everyone, I wanted to introduce you to our newest in-house product, the Raven. It's a 2-universe ArtNet node that can run over Ethernet or Bluetooth. Now in the box you'll find the Raven, a manual USB-C cable, and the universe extender. Now right out of the box, the easiest way to get going is to just plug in an Ethernet cable that has PoE. It's going to try to get an IP address using DHCP, so if your console or controller is connected to the same network, it should just show up at this point. Not everybody has PoE though, so if you just plug in a normal Ethernet cable, you can power the device using the USB-C. As you can see, it was able to get an IP address right away from the router because the LED is solid green. If it's still trying to connect, it'll be flashing green. Now I'm using @full to do all this, but it will work with any ArtNet controller. To actually start controlling your lights, you'll need to plug in the DMX cable, of course. And I'll do a quick RDM discovery request just to make sure everything's solid. Yep, the Lux Quadra X4 pops right up, which is right here. So I know our connection is good. Sometimes you'll have more fixtures than one universe can handle though. In that case, you'll want to use the included Universe Expander dongle. The boys in the lab have confirmed that this will only work on a Raven though, so don't worry about crashing the multiverse. And it can only expand from 1 to 2 universes. Now I only have 2 lights here, but as you can see, the RDM discovery will now pull from both universes. You can set the universe number or other settings for each port from the config pages, but first I want to show you the Bluetooth mode by double tapping the button. Now Bluetooth mode is enabled, and it will really only work while in @full since there isn't an official ArtNet Bluetooth spec. This is just some of that juicy Blizzard sauce. By having a Bluetooth mode, it means that you can set up the network configuration of the device before plugging it into your network, if you need to set a static IP or whatever other configurations you might need to set. There's a ton of options here, like custom DMX loss. You can even save a frame of DMX for it to default to, which is pretty handy when you are doing an architectural setup. Now, while I wouldn't use Bluetooth to control the lights for a Taylor Swift concert, it does function very well, especially at close range. Here I'll use the mini console in the config section to make sure that this sharpshooter is connected right, and yep, so now we can go to our patches, shows, and play a little show over Bluetooth too. For more details on how to set up patches and shows, check out some of my other videos in the Beard of Knowledge series. The Bluetooth works surprisingly well though, even better than Wi-Fi I've found in most cases. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get up and running with your new Raven. If you have any questions, of course, just give us a call or reach out to us at blizzardpro.com.